welcome back to my channel. If you are new guys, a big welcome to you. Go ahead guys and hit that subscribe button and join the Excellence family. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all very much for stopping in. And today, as you can tell from the title, I am back with another haul. I am sharing my last minute Christmas haul. I've been picking up a few items here and there, some from TK Maxx. I think I got something from Range, Next Home Store, and Morrison's. So without further ado guys, let me get into sharing these few items that I've picked up with you guys, and hopefully you will see something that you like. If you enjoy watching this video guys, go ahead and hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. I appreciate every love, every support, every like, every comment. Thank you all very much. I appreciate and love it, and I pray that God continue to bless you guys. And let's get into showing you guys all the items that I've picked up. Some of them I might have used them somewhere already, but I'll show you what I've got here. So first item is these beautiful Christmas trees, and I picked up 2 of those. Yeah, I picked up 2 of those, and they're like white and silver with a little bit of gold and a little bit of bronze looking. So I think they're going for a woodsy theme, but I'm loving them. Oops. They are quite beautiful, and I'm sure they'll look very beautiful in my space as well. So those 2. The next item I picked up from TK Maxx are these. I didn't get all of these one time. I've been collecting. Each time I go out, I might pick up something, so I've just accumulated them all and decided to do a haul and show you guys what I've been picking up. I got me 2 napkin rings. So yes, this is what they look like, and I got 2 in order to get 6 places at my table, and I am loving the diamante and gold effect that it's got, because I like to mix metals. I think it's beautiful when you mix gold and silver. And the next items I picked up at TK Maxx are these reindeer tea light holders, and I think they're so cute. With the little gold antler. See their little gold antlers? And so yes guys, I picked these up and I think they're so cute. Put your little tea lights in them and tea light candles in them, and you've got 2 beautiful reindeers. And I love my favorite color is white, and my favorite accent color is gold. I do love silver as well though. So those are that from TK Maxx. Oh, I picked up 2. I think these are either TK Maxx or Home Sense. I don't remember. They're very close. So I've got 2 blue wrapping paper. If you've been following my videos, you would know that I'm doing silver, white, gold, and blue. And I've picked up some blue wrapping paper because I didn't have any blue, but I had gold, silver, and white from the year before. So I don't think I need much of those. But I did not have any blue, and I picked up like this dark navy blue, and I'm loving it. And it's got some silver glitter reindeer prancing on it, and it's so cute. I'm sure this will look so beautiful under my Christmas tree. So that one, and this is a lighter blue. It's just got some flower things on it. So it's 2 different styles, and I love them. Those I think are from TK Maxx. The next item I got from TK Maxx are these for my table. These beautiful wine glass. And I know they're different, and I love that about them. It's got like a silver rim and the diamante at the bottom. And they're so beautiful. They only had, in my TK Maxx, they only had 4 of these. So I picked up the 4 of them to pair with this other wine glass. This martini looking glass that I got as well. And it's got the same silver diamante effect. And these will look very beautiful on my table, I'm sure of it. And mixed with my gold accents as well. So I've picked up 2 of these and 4 of those. So I've got 6 places. That was it from TK Maxx. The next place I stopped was in Next Home Store, and I picked up 2 serving spoons. It's always nice to have serving spoons, and I'm loving the gold. So I picked up 2 gold serving spoons. I need to collect some more of these, I think. But they only had that one, and I just picked it up. That was it from Next. The next thing I have to show you guys is these. Let me reach. These picks that I got from the range. I think they're so beautiful, and I picked up 2 of those. Seems like I like symmetry because I'm always having 2 of something. So that's them. It's got pearl picks and some silver baubles, white flowers, and it's glittered all over. So it has a nice winter wonderland theme going on there. And you see, put them like this. You're doing this, and you're having a nice centerpiece with some candles, etc. on your table. And I love these. So yes, guys, those. And those are all I got from Range. Oh, I also picked up another light from Range as well. Some little white lights. But they're warm white, but they're white rings. So I picked those up as well from Range. So I think those are all the items I have from Range. I also went into the supermarket in Morrison's, and they had a Christmas clearance section, and I picked up some baubles, these ones, and I picked up a few of them. Let me show you guys. I picked up a few of them. I just don't want to take them all out now. But I picked up a few of them, and they were just 30 pence. So I just picked up what they had because they're so cute though. They're like a mirrored effect with white. So I picked those up in Morrison's, and I mean, even though I've already decorated my tree, you can't really go wrong with picking up Christmas decorations when you see them on sale, because you can always use them the next year. So, and they can go on your garland or whatever it is that you're wanting something more to be added to. So yes, I picked these up, and they were only 30 pence. I mean, you can't go wrong with 30 pence. They were only 30 pence for one. And I also picked up these baubles. They were only £1 for the 4 of them, and I thought that was really nice because they're a decent size. And I picked up 2 of those as well. And guys, I think, oh, I need to show you guys this that I got from Home Bargains. I just picked up a set with these 2 candles in Home Bargains. Whoops. And it comes with the, let me put one down. It comes with the little branch around it, the little pick around it. And I think they're so cute. And this is what it would look like. And I think that's beautiful. And it's got like a champagne gold with a darker gold. And I'm loving it. Guys, what do you call these? I don't even know. I got this, guys. To put your wine in, if you're giving someone a nice wine. This is, I think it's a wine bag. I don't think it's a bag. Is it a wine box? Whatever. But it's for your wine. I honestly can't say that I know what it's actually called. But I know it's for putting wine in. And also, I think you can fill it with other things. If you've got other items that can hold in it, why not fit other things in it? And it comes like this with 2 in it. So it's a pack of 2. I think that's nice. So you can drop little items in. I was looking if there was another one as well, but no. So it's just got 2 in it, and I love the color. It's nice, silver and white. And that's that. And I think I've come to the end of my haul. I've got a little packing away to do when I'm done. But I've come to the end of my haul. Thank you all very much for watching. I love and appreciate you guys. Those are the items I've been picking up from different areas, from different shops. And I just wanted to come and share those with you guys, just in case, you see anything that you might like, that you think could go well with your space as well. You know where they're from. If you're in the UK, you are able to get them. Thank you all very much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day and be blessed. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.